Hi! Welcome to our kitchen again. Today I'm going to try my own version of roast pork with crackling skin. I figured that if I bought a piece with bone on it, it will give it more of the shape as it is roasting, and it's not going to curl. So I intentionally bought the kind that has the ribs or the bones in it still, and once it's cooked, of course, we're just going to remove it. This is about 3 pounds. We are going to pre-slice the skin so it will be easy to chop once it's cooked. So this is how it looks like. The salt is going to draw out the moisture, and it will help dry off the skin, which is very important when you want crackling skin. I'm going to season the back with a little bit of 5-spice powder, which is this. I am also going to add a little bit of smoky cumin as well as coriander. I love the combination of cumin and coriander in my cooking, especially the Asian dishes. So now I am adding just a little bit of salt on top, just to give it a little bit of flavor, and then we will put it in the fridge overnight. Alright, so I will put this in the fridge for 24 hours, meaning this is tomorrow night's dinner. This is how it looks like now after 24 hours in the refrigerator. What I'm going to do is add a little bit of water at the bottom, and then I'm going to put it inside the oven, which I preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So, okay, so let's do this. So 350 degrees and for an hour and a half, and then we will go see if the meat is tender and good enough to take out the foil and put it under the broiler. So it's been an hour and 45 minutes. We're going to check our pork belly. Smells good. It's looking good. Tender. There's a little bit of part there where the skin stuck into the foil, but that's fine. I moved it at a lower rack, and we are going to broil it to get that crackling skin. And we will check or turn it as necessary. So we will let it rest for about 15 minutes, and then it will be ready to slice. So I'm mixing these two products. This is a typical Filipino dipping sauce for roasted pork, what we call lechon or Lechon Kawali, and the sweet sauce for spring roll, which is actually a sweet chili sauce. I am mixing them together to create the dipping sauce. Yum. Exactly what we need. It's practically falling off the bone. A little twist. Well, the idea worked. That if you buy a pork belly with a bone, it remains intact and it's straight. So now we're ready to slice. Okay, we will slice them, ready for serving. Hear that crackle? You should smell this. This smells so good. And now for the taste test. Really, really good. It is so good. Thank you for watching. Maraming salamat po.